Good morning. I just got back on trail after leaving Stumble Inn. It's like 8:30, so it's like an hour and a half later than what I've been getting on trail, but it's okay. I needed a little extra break, but I don't know how far I'm gonna go. I'm at that Manassas Gap, or whatever Manassas I think it's called, and ideally I would love to hit that roller coaster and mile 1000 today. I think it's like 21 miles or something, but we'll see. I don't know. I'd like to be in Harper's Ferry tomorrow night or Friday morning. That'd be awesome, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll talk to you in a little bit. The deer love me. If y'all don't already know, these little now and later bites and these little mini stuffed Twizzler things, whew, they're so good. And they hit just right out here on the trail. Well, I didn't want to walk all the way down to Whiskey Hollow Shelter because it's 0.3 one way. So that's extra 0.6 miles I'd have to walk when I'm trying to do the roller coaster today. But anyway, lunch break. Chicken wrap. I got some veggie straws down there. Got that protein so I can make it up them hills. Hopefully this video is going to show it, but if you can hear that, that's those Brood X cicada things. They're so loud. And listen, I don't care. They can be loud as they want to, long as they stay off of me. They're loud. Listen. I'll listen to this video, make sure you can hear it. I don't want them on me. I'll show you a picture of one like dead. I keep stepping on. That's one that's dead. Ugh, look at the big old eyes. Gross. Y'all, those things are flying around, and I don't like it. They're huge. What the heck's on my foot? I'm trying to see if you can see them. I don't know. But the sky's beautiful today. Just got these bugs sent from the 7th realm of hell. Ew. Sky Meadows State Park. A little meadow that you can kind of see some mountains over there. That's it. You know the drill. Water, water, water. Always filter water. A man-made rock retaining wall, I'm assuming. The boardwalk, boardwalk. We be having some fun walking the boardwalks. I know that ain't how the song goes, but that's my remix. Jeez. Entering the roller coaster. Woo! Yep. It's a roller coaster. Up there! Oh yeah. Got me out of breath already. Yeah, this should be called the rockin' roller coaster, not just the roller coaster. And it's kicking my butt. This is some good climbs, I'll tell you that much. Whew. But good thing is, I'm like a mile from mile 1000. So let's get it. Well, I did it. I made 1,000 miles today. But what sucks is there was a tree that I've seen people take pictures at, like I've posted before, that have the 1,000-mile marker on it. And I cannot find it anywhere. Only those sticks. So anyway, woohoo! I accomplished my goal today and I hit 1,000 miles, baby. 1000 with lefty, righty, Pete and repeat. My feet. Woo! And Bree got to be on FaceTime with me when I did it. Woo! Awesome day. Good morning. I made it past mile 1000. I did a little part of the roller coaster, and I came to Sam Moore's shelter last night. And now I'm just getting everything packed up. I'm not normally a like cook my breakfast type person, but I've been so hungry lately, so I'm like making some oatmeal. Well, I already made it, but I'm making oatmeal. Made oatmeal. That's what I'm eating for breakfast because the hunger lately is real. But I think I'm gonna go to ride outside, just a couple miles outside of Harper's Ferry today, and then get up early, walk in. I have a box there to resupply from, and then I want to spend the day walking around Harper's Ferry because it's got a lot of historical stuff. So get to check that out, and then I'll leave out tomorrow afternoon. But I will talk to you later. I just love the roller coaster. I love roller coasters. Don't y'all? Just love roller coasters? Cheesy peasy. So, the roller coaster is a 14-mile section that has back-to-back steep up-downs. 14 miles. But the ups and stuff aren't really that bad anymore. What makes it difficult is it's extremely rocky. So you have to go slow or you roll an ankle. But oh well, I'm almost done, so that's a good thing. Bear's Den Rocks. And a meat stick. Bit of a road walk. It's a pretty busy highway. I gotta cross up there. This is life right now. Just rocks. Rocks upon rocks. But I'm almost done with this roller coaster section. So that's a good thing. And I'm about to cross over the West Virginia borders. Oh, what is that? Oh boy. 5 states down, baby. Raven Rocks. Whew. Check this out. Imagine having that house up there. I'd be happy. Well, according to Gut Hooks, I just crossed the end of the section known as a roller coaster. You know, we didn't get a sign or anything saying, hey, you just survived that. You made it. They gave us one warning it, so I guess that's okay. But anyway, so that section is done. And for the next several hundred miles, it looks easy peasy compared to what we've had to do. Oh wait, maybe this is a sign. Hold on. Nah, this is just warning southbounders that it's starting. At least we had a wooden sign. But anyway, all right, I'll talk to you later. Just a pretty green tunnel. My feet are a little sore today. I think it's from all those rocks. Can't really walk fast. Good morning, y'all. I just got up. It's like 5:45. I know it looks like really light, but it's really only like 5:45. But I'm just packing everything up. I do it all in my tent, like everything. I put it all in my pack, and then I stick my pack outside, and I put my tent up and I go. So anyway, I'm gonna go into Harper's Ferry today, check that little town out, pick up a resupply box, and then get back on trail. But yeah, and if you're wondering, I woke up like this, just like this. No cares, it's okay. I do have a brush. I'll brush my hair since I'm going into town. That way I look somewhat presentable. Good morning, West Virginia. It's beautiful and the birds are chirping because it's Harper's Ferry Day.
My big thing was
Stopped at this little country store. It's right off the trail. I wanted some chips and a drink. I'll be in Harper's Ferry in about 5 miles. Y'all, I'm so over these rocks for the past several days. Ooh. I knew it couldn't be an easy walk into Harper's Ferry. Oh, cheesy peasy. Well, hopefully we at least get a break. Oh, jeez. Hopefully we at least get a break before the rocks in PA start. I don't know exactly when that happens, but anyway, plugging along. Oh, I stopped videoing and looked up and saw that. There it is down there, the Shenandoah River. My first view of it. I don't know if you can hear the rapids going over the vehicles, but, or me talking. Let me be quiet for a minute. No, probably not, but anyway. All right. Working my way down there. I'll get better pictures. I think I'm gonna go up and onto that bridge so I can cross the river. Shenandoah River. Shenandoah River into Harper's Ferry. Woohoo! Of course, I climb up to the ATC. Ha! Walking to the ATC. Noodles. This is a map of the AT. Let's see. I am right there, Harper's Ferry, on the quote-unquote easy part. This is the footbridge. I am walking along the Shenandoah down this little gravel road. It's part of the trail to go to Cross Trails Hostel. I just picked up my resupply box, but I must say I'm a little overwhelmed by Harper's Ferry. There's people everywhere. Whew. I couldn't even concentrate. It was just crazy. But anyway, it's gonna be good to get off my feet a little early today. I kind of want to stay and go swimming on the river tomorrow somewhere. We'll see.